Hey guys, welcome back to Frenzy, and today we're doing the 1 minute burping challenge. Alright, the burping challenge is where I have to see how many times I can burp in 1 minute. So I have my timer right over here, and I'm just going to start at any time. And this time will be available on the video, so you'll see like how much time I have left before I have to stop burping. So let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that was just the 1 minute right there, and obviously I will have a thing on the side to see how many times I burp every time. It'll count up by 1. So I will show you how much times I burped after this, and then yeah. So guys, after reviewing the video and editing it for like 20 minutes, putting it in slow motion and trying to count as best I could, I got around 83 burps, which I don't know for sure if that's the correct number, but if you guys want to count yourself and put your number in on the comment section, be sure to do that. But otherwise, it's around 83. So thanks for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and comment for more ideas. See ya.